So right here we have the Rexspeed carbon fiber mirror caps that resemble the M style mirror caps that BMW makes. Comes nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Let's get this off here. There's the Rexspeed label. Pretty nice. Don't really see any defects. Comes with an installation tool and a microfiber cloth, which is nice. And the second one. So right here you can use some masking tape, or in my case a microfiber towel, just to put underneath to protect from any scratching from going on before you pry out the mirror. You're just going to put a little bit of force until you hear a pop and the mirror will come loose. Just be careful though about the wires. Those you definitely don't want to damage in any way. And you can just set the mirror down gently on the side while you work on plying off the previous OEM frame. Behind the mirror, there's 3 clips that you're going to have to use a small pair of pliers to compress and apply a little pressure to pull off the OEM backing. Then you're able to clip on the new carbon fiber mirror caps and replace the mirror as it was. And just like that, we got one side finished. Fitment was pretty good. I don't see any gaps really compared to the OEM. Definitely gives it that extra flair. Now all you gotta do is do the same thing on the other side. Now that both sides are done, it looks good. Definitely gives it that extra flair, especially looking from the front. Can't really say anything bad about it. Would definitely recommend. Alright, that's all for this one. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.